Make a great choice today with the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.